Vision: a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission: University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible Europeans through innovation, industries-focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazer, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makayos, marunong, and malinis. Core values: uprightness, excellence, and passion. My instructor in NIT 102 is Sir Philip Michael Auanan, and yung natutunan ko ng NIT 101 is how to transfer the files in receiving and creating a folder, and how to create a straight through and crossover.